Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you where to find the model name of this laptop. So to see the full model name of your laptop, you have to close the lid and check the back side of your device. Here, next to the QR code which you can see right here, you can find the full model name of your device, which for me is HP EliteBook 745G6, and the product ID is 5VU37AV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.